Hello, Hornets, and welcome back to Camp Buzz. It is a beautiful Monday. Some celebrations we have from last week at Camp Buzz is that we had a goal of having 95% attendance every day through June 25th, and we are already above our goal on Friday. We ended with 96%. What I want to know though is we noticed during camp time on Friday that there was a decrease in student participation. So if we see students not being present during camp time, this is going to start impacting our attendance. So if your teachers notice you aren't at camp time, we will also be calling your families then and reaching out to say, hey, what happened to Sarah? They were here for math and literacy. Why aren't they at camp time? So we will check in throughout the week to see where we are with reaching our goal. Again, you are present all day long, and our day runs from 9 a.m. until noon. You're in advisory now, then math, then your brain break. Remember, our brain break ends at 10:25, not 10:40, not 10:50. You are back in literacy at 10:25, and then you have camp time. If you have to step away from your computer or are going to be absent, please just message your teacher and say, hey, I have to go walk the dog. Hey, I'll be right back. If you have an absence that you need to communicate out, have your advisor talk to your family and say, hey, Sarah's going to be out. They have to go run an errand with their family. They have a doctor's appointment. They're out sick. And then Miss Frederick will record that in our attendance. Here are reminders of success that you guys have already been showing in your toolbox and in your suitcase that we're so proud of. This week, we're going to be really looking into your suitcase and what tools you have in order to be next grade ready level, and that you're practicing using here at Camp Buzz. The way we are preparing you with your suitcases is our daily themes. This week we have some really awesome things that we're going to be doing each day. Tuesday you're going to be engaging in debates. Wednesday we're going to have some fun competitions both during advisory and at the grade level. Thursday you're going to be really reflecting on whether or not you are on track for next grade ready and what you need to do to get next grade ready here at Camp Buzz. And then Friday we're going to be celebrating the work you guys have done with grade level recognitions and then student specific recognitions. Today during camp time, you're going to be packing your suitcase and really seeing what do I already have in there on my third day of summer school and what do I need help adding and packing while I'm here at Camp Buzz that I can take back with me to my next grade. We have seen excellent growth already from so many of you, and this suitcase will allow us to see what are tools I already have that are going to allow me to be a great 7th, 8th, or 9th grader, and what do I still need support with while I'm in summer school? The big focus. So on Friday, we went over in 6th grade what you guys are going to be focusing on, 8th grade what you're going to be focusing on, and 7th grade. 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. And you'll be reminded of this when we go back in advisory. But there's a common theme that all of your grades have, and that is that your teachers want us talking more. That is our biggest tool. Our teachers want to hear your voice and they want you to be talking with your peers. So the skills that Miss Frederick is saying we're putting in your suitcase today that we want you to leave with at the end of summer school is we want you to be taking turns talking. We want you to be listening to one another's ideas. When I've been observing classes this week at Camp Buzz, I've noticed that teachers are calling on you and you're like, huh? What? Did you call on me? You need to be listening. You need to be engaged. If there's video games on, if there's a movie on, turn it off because we have to be able to listen and learn from one another. We also want you to practice speaking in complete sentences so your ideas are clear, and want you to be asking and answering as many questions as you possibly can. So again, your teachers are going to be reminding you of the focuses you have at each of your grade levels at the end of morning meeting, and you will see that there is this theme of student voice and talking that we are putting in your suitcase that we want you to practice this week at Camp Buzz. One way we're going to encourage student voice is by having Focus on Us Friday, which is going to be not only celebrating the work that we see from you guys as students, but also allowing you to teach us. So Focus on Us Friday, you're going to be watching an example from Camp Counselor Stock when you're done with morning meeting. This allows you to practice public speaking. This also allows you to teach others about what you're interested in and for us to build connection and be like, I didn't know that about Mr. Stock. I also like that. What? Miss Frederick does that? That's so cool. Miss Schwartz? No way. And it is just a 2-minute speech. 2 minutes about anything. Some ideas that we've brainstormed. You could teach about your family. You could talk about some mistakes. something that's so embarrassing. Hobbies that you've tried that you've been successful at, or hobbies that you've tried and didn't do so great. Your favorite places to hang out. If you've bought some ridiculous things that you're like, I can't believe I've spent money on this, you could share out about that. Anything that you want. 2-minute speech. After you guys watch Mr. Stock's example, you're like, I'd be interested in doing that. We are looking for a 6th grader, a 7th grader, and an 8th grader that would be featured during camp time on Friday. You would meet with Mr. Stock or I during the week so we could record this, and then your video would be shared on Friday in camp time. Remember, we are looking for campers of the day, and this would absolutely allow us to see who those campers of the day and see who's going to win that big prize at the end of camp when you drop off your laptop. So let's have a great day. Let's remember to keep those tools of success, making sure you're getting work done and on time. Make sure you're in class, learning and participating, not just signing on and disappearing. Make sure you're getting that work done before you leave and that you are following this schedule. And then we cannot wait to hear you have those strong discussions. Next in advisory, you'll talk about your focuses of the week and watch Counselor Stock's example video. Can't wait to see who our students of the week are. Happy Monday. Have a great week at Camp Buzz.